Trim down on time and money using Etekcity's EL11 digital luggage scale. Ideal for traveling and recycling, this petite and portable scale has the weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, simplifying the way you weigh your personal effects. Designed with easy grip comfort, the scale features a durable nylon wraparound hanging system for easy handling. With a user-friendly button interface, measure environment temperature, convert units, and tare weight with the press of a button. Each time you turn on the scale, it will remember the last unit used when you made your last measurement. The scale is small in size for easy on-the-go storage while maintaining the durability to stand the test of time and travel. Simply hang your luggage from the nylon hook and evenly suspend it in the air until the scale stabilizes and locks your final weight results. To measure the weight of contents without the added weight of the container that holds them, first weigh the container without any contents inside of it. Once the weight results stabilize, press the tare button to recalibrate the scale to the weight of the container. Now add the contents in which you wish to measure to the container and suspend it to calculate the final weight. To reset a tared calibration, remove all weight from the scale and press the tare button. It's that simple. Effortlessly measure the weight of your luggage before you ever reach the airlines, saving you an average of $50 to $200 of unexpected overweight luggage fees. It's the perfect addition to your itinerary for happy travels.
There is something magical about packing everything up and getting away. It can be a spur-of-the-moment adventure, or a years-in-the-planning once-in-a-lifetime trip. With all the new experiences and places you'll be going, you can feel confident and safe with Alpha Keeper Money Belt. This stylish way to carry all your important travel documents closely and securely to your body isn't just for convenience. It's for your safety, as it protects you from cyber attacks and identity theft. This money belt is designed with RFID-Blocking material. It will prevent your passports and credit cards' private information from being stolen, even from the most high-tech criminal. Because Alpha Keeper strives to protect you in all situations, we have bundled our money belt with stylish RFID-blocking sleeves for your passports and credit cards, for extra security for your standard wallet or purse. No matter how you wear it, you can shuttle off to the airport with the full confidence that you and your information are secure with Alpha Keeper. Is that okay?
So, thank you. Ball jump. Head to the station now.
To accelerate.
Make traveling easier and more comfortable with the Everlasting Comfort Neck Pillow Travel Kit. Just like the world's leading memory foam manufacturers, our neck pillow is made with 100% premium quality memory foam. Its extra plush velour cover provides a luxurious, relaxing experience. And unlike standard neck pillows, its ergonomic U-shaped design features raised lobes to support neck tilt from side to side. The compact protective travel bag includes a pair of high-quality memory foam earplugs with an industry-leading noise reduction rating of 33 and a padded adjustable sleep mask. Its unique side pocket fits your phone, accompanying earplugs and eye mask. Travel in the ultimate comfort and arrive feeling relaxed and refreshed with the Everlasting Comfort Neck Pillow Travel Kit.
Let's look at Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter. With the advances of our modern world and global technology on the rise, everyone has the need to be connected for business and personal use. Having one device that can recognize the devices we plug into it, calculate the necessary current output to not only fully charge these devices, but charge these devices in the shortest time periods possible, all while protecting the devices from overcurrent and overvoltage. Castries Universal Travel Power Adapter is an all-in-one worldwide travel charger, travel socket with international power adapter, 4 different outlets for various plug configurations, a power-on LED, 4 USB ports, and built-in safety fuse. Some of the benefits to this device are having a device that you can quickly change which type of plug configuration you need to plug into the wall. If you're traveling, if you're in a different area of the world, then sometimes the plugs that we bring with us to charge our devices don't always fit the outlets that are provided in these other locations. And having one device instead of a separate adapter for each part of the world that I might find myself in, having one device that can do this can prove extremely beneficial. To operate, you simply depress the button here, and by depressing the button, this allows the sliding lever on the other side to be pushed forward, and this will push out the plugs for whichever type of setup you may need. As we can see here, you have the European, UK, Australian, and US plugs. So you simply press the button, push the plug out, and plug it into the wall. And in turn, you can plug whatever style of plug you have into the outlets on the other side of the device.